In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create seamless page transitions in Canva. By the end, your multi-page designs will flow smoothly, giving presentations, portfolios, and social posts a clean, professional polish with almost no effort. Start by opening your design that already has multiple pages. You'll want at least 2 pages so you can see the transition in action. If you're continuing an existing project, make sure all the pages you want to connect are visible in the editor so you can quickly move between them. To make the transition truly seamless, keep the background consistent across pages. That means using the same color, gradient, or image and keeping it in exactly the same position. A quick tip: set your background as an actual background layer rather than leaving it as a floating image. This prevents tiny shifts that can cause a noticeable jump. If you're using patterns or photos, avoid nudging or resizing them from page to page. Consistency here is the foundation of a smooth dissolve. Next, align your key elements similarly between pages. Text boxes, logos, buttons, and shapes should stay in roughly the same areas, so the viewer's eye doesn't have to reorient on every page. Use Canva's smart guides and snapping to line things up, match sizes, and keep spacing consistent. Small shifts are fine if they're intentional, but big jumps will make even the best transition feel choppy. Now look between your page thumbnails and click the transition icon that appears between 2 pages. This opens the transition panel for that page break. From the list of options, choose Dissolve. Dissolve gently blends one page into the next, which is ideal when your layout and background are consistent. Adjust the duration to a short or medium length. Short keeps the energy up and works well for fast-paced slides, while medium gives a slightly more relaxed, polished feel. If you're unsure, start in the middle and tweak from there. Too long can feel sluggish, too short can feel abrupt. Apply the same transition between all pages so your project feels cohesive from start to finish. Look for an Apply to All option to speed things up. If that isn't available, repeat the same dissolve and duration settings for each page break to maintain consistency. Finally, preview your design to check for smoothness. Use the play button and watch for any jumps. If something looks off, confirm your backgrounds match perfectly, nudge elements into alignment, or fine-tune the duration. With those tweaks, your pages should glide from one to the next. That's it. Seamless page transitions in Canva made simple.